Jesse with Land Rover Jaguar Gulf Coast, and today on Tune-Up Tuesday, we are talking accessory drive belts. Every vehicle, with the exception of electric cars, has a drive belt, and it provides a various assortment of responsibilities. It will power your alternator to charge your battery and your electrical system. It can run your water pump, your power steering pump, and on some models, supercharger. All manufacturers have a replacement guideline for belts as far as mileage goes. On this vehicle, it's anywhere from 110 to 150,000 miles. But at every service, we inspect the drive belts for small cracks in the ribs of the belts. And we would suggest a replacement of the belt at that time. This has been Tune Up Tuesday. Have a great day.